Today, ladies, I wanted to shoot a quick video using Google Maps to kind of give you an idea of where you are going in downtown Columbus once you get to the area for conference. As you can see, I'm going to do a little, like I said, using Google Maps, show you around a little bit. This may be a little old. I see they have construction. I know that was a few years ago. But for the most part, the main landmarks obviously are the same. So maybe this will just help you once you get there. Again, you're confused, not sure, you haven't been there before, you're not going to know where to go. So I just wanted to shoot this real quick to give you an idea. So I'm starting here. You're going to see the Hilton Hotel on the right-hand side. That is where I'm going to be staying, right here at the Hilton. Okay, this is a big downtown area. Okay, and across from the Hilton is this whole thing here, and it runs all down this street. This is the convention center. Okay, so there's two different main places you're going to be, is the convention center and the Nationwide Arena. This is the convention center. So this is one of the entrances. You're going to walk up this way. This is where your buses and your home office tours are going to leave out of. So this is the convention center main entrance area. And again, the Hilton is across the street, and attached to the convention center here, this, ladies, is the Hyatt. So if you're staying at the Hyatt Hotel, this is the Hyatt actually connected to the convention center. And then I'm going to spin around and look back a little bit, and then they're actually connected as well. So if you're staying at the Hilton Hotel, now it's on my left. Here is the the walkway, the skyway. You could actually walk between, and again, you've got the convention center on this side. And that is going to connect. So the main thing which you're going to be doing when you see, you're going to walk down this street. Okay, this is the main path we all go to. And you're going to come to this intersection here. And you're going to see one of the main things, that is the Nationwide building. You know we're at the Nationwide Arena. We support Nationwide Children's, and that's big in this area here. So once you get to this intersection, okay, you are going to head down here, straight down, and I'm telling you, you're going to have a sea of ladies in pink doing the same thing. Look at that. Girls, this is a stock MapQuest or whatever, Google Maps, and look at that. They have the 31 sign there. Clearly they took this video in the right time of year. That is so cool. I'm going to share that. So when I tell you we turn the city pink, ladies, I'm not kidding. We will they turn the street signs pink. You're going to see all the flags and stuff like that. But that's super cool that I just saw that. See there in the video? Okay. So you're going to keep walking down this area. And you see right straight ahead, that's the convention, that's the arena, sorry. This is the Nationwide Arena. So like I said, about a block back was the convention center, and you're going to walk this way, and this is the arena. So once you walk straight here, this is the main entrance to the Nationwide Arena. There are going to be pink stuff up front here. There's going to be fun stuff going on. They usually have just fun things happening all around this area, but this is going to be filled with 31 ladies. This is your main entrance to the Nationwide Arena. So you're going to stand out here when you're ready to go in. On the right here, I told you there's a Starbucks, but I'm telling you it gets packed. So like Liz suggested, maybe download the app and do that order ahead kind of thing so you don't have to wait in line. They'll have it ready to go. Otherwise, like I said, there's the Starbucks there. This whole area is full of restaurants. This was a restaurant years ago. Last year it was closed down, but who knows? It may be something else again next year. But when I don't know, I can't walk down this with the video, but when you go down here, you see the sign here, Buca di Beppo. There's a restaurant on the lower level. You go down, there's also some like pub kind of restaurants. There's a few different things in this area. And when we go, let me see if I can go this way. Oh, maybe not. When we walk down this block, there's some restaurants down here also. So again, if you want to park, I guess this is the parking garage if people are going to be driving to the arena. But this is the main spot where you're going to go. So again, and then when you leave, same idea. You're going to be walking, let's see if I can go back up this way. So basically we're turning around and going back. If the video is going to work. And again, you're just going to walk back up these streets and back to the convention center. So those are the main places that we're going to be while we are in Columbus, is between the convention center up here and the arena here. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit, just to give you a visual. Like I said, there's other restaurants and stuff like that around. But those are your main spots that you're going to need for conference. Okay? Hope this helps.